Start your day right with a fantastic breakfast, oatmeal with fruit and nut butter. This wholesome meal is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Imagine waking up to a warm bowl of creamy oatmeal, topped with vibrant fresh fruits and a dollop of rich nut butter. It's a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. It's delicious and keeps you full of energy all morning. The combination of oats, fruits and nut butter provides a balanced mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats, ensuring you stay energized and satisfied until lunchtime. Oatmeal is a brilliant source of fiber, which keeps your tummy happy. Fiber aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut, making it an excellent choice for a morning meal. Fruit adds natural sweetness and vitamins. Fresh fruits like berries, bananas, and apples are packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that boost your immune system and overall health. Go for berries, bananas, or chopped apples. These fruits not only enhance the flavor but also add a delightful texture to your oatmeal. Nut butter, like peanut or almond butter, brings healthy fats and protein to the table. These nutrients are crucial for muscle repair and growth, and they also help keep you feeling full longer. This will stop those mid-morning cravings. By including nut butter in your oatmeal, you ensure a steady release of energy, preventing those pesky hunger pangs. This breakfast combo is a winner for busy mornings. It's quick to prepare and easy to take on the go, making it perfect for those hectic days when you need a nutritious meal in a hurry. Make a big batch at the start of the week and you're sorted. Preparing a large batch of oatmeal in advance saves time and ensures you have a healthy breakfast ready every day. It's simple, quick, and sets you up for a great day. Let's get cooking. With just a few ingredients and minimal effort, you can create a breakfast that fuels your body and delights your senses. So, grab your oats, fruits, and nut butter, and let's make a delicious start to the day. Let's get this breakfast sorted. Oatmeal is a fantastic way to start your day. It's not only nutritious but also incredibly versatile. Today we're going to show you how to make a basic oatmeal base that you can customize to your heart's content. Grab your favorite saucepan and add 2 cups of water. Make sure to use fresh, filtered water for the best taste. Bring it to a boil, then add 1 cup of rolled oats. Rolled oats are a great choice because they cook relatively quickly and have a wonderful texture. Turn the heat down low and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This allows the oats to absorb the water and become tender. Give it a stir every now and then so it doesn't stick. Stirring also helps to release the starches, making your oatmeal creamier. Once the oats are nice and creamy, you're ready to go. You can check the texture by scooping a bit with a spoon. It should be soft but not mushy. Let it cool down, then you can portion it out into containers for the week. This makes it super convenient to grab and go in the mornings. Pop those containers in the fridge, and you've got your oatmeal base ready to go. This base can last up to 5 days in the refrigerator. Now for the fun part, adding the fruit and nut butter. You can get creative with your toppings. Fresh fruits like berries, bananas, or apples add natural sweetness, while nut butter provides healthy fats and protein. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious oatmeal powerhouse. This is where you can get creative. Grab your favorite fruits, berries, bananas, chopped apples, anything goes. Wash and chop them up, then store them separately. Next, choose your nut butter. Peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, take your pick. Spoon a dollop into each container of oatmeal or keep it separate for later. Now you've got your prepped oatmeal, fruit, and nut butter ready to assemble each morning. Keep your oatmeal in airtight containers in the fridge. This ensures that your breakfast stays fresh and ready to eat throughout the week. Proper storage is key to maintaining the texture and flavor of your oatmeal. It will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Labeling your containers with the days of the week can help you stay organized and make your mornings hassle-free. Reheating is a breeze. Pop it in the microwave for a minute or 2 until warm. This method is quick and convenient, perfect for those busy mornings when you're in a rush. You can also reheat it on the stovetop with a splash of milk for a creamier texture. This method allows you to control the consistency and add a bit of extra richness to your oatmeal. Once it's heated through, add your favorite toppings like fresh fruit and nut butter. These additions not only enhance the flavor but also boost the nutritional value of your breakfast. Enjoy a delicious and nutritious breakfast that will fuel your day. With these simple steps, you can have a wholesome meal ready in no time, ensuring you start your day on the right foot.